All right, I'm debuting the Corvette ZR1 at the Frankfort Car Show, July 13th, 2026. It's the first car show I've taken this car out to. It's a 2009 Corvette ZR1, and tonight is supposed to be Corvette night, but I don't see too many Corvettes yet, but I'm really early, so we'll check back later. Well, we're here at the Frankfurt Car Show, and come up with a 63 convertible with a hardtop. Tonight is Corvette night, so they're going to have a few Corvettes around. Nice C7 we got over here. A lot of other models of cars. A motorcycle. There's a Porsche. Some antiques out here. Nice Corvettes. Here we have another very cool C7. There's an 82. We have a C1. Here's a C2. 2002 with 52,000 miles. There's a C8. There's another Corvette we got out here. Bunch of antiques. We got the Lamborghini doors on a C8. There's some more. There's a bunch of them. But tonight is Corvette night. They have lots of different cars here. Here we're approaching where my car's parked, the Blue Devil. Next to a C8. Love that wrap down there on the C8 that came in. That's pretty cool. Nice C7 convertible. A couple more cars here at the Frankfurt Car Show. We got a beautiful 67 that the owner said he got it off a bring-in trailer. C7 in the background. A little short on cars today because I heard there was a car show out west that was competing. It was Chevy night, so they didn't really schedule this one. Last year when I came, this place was packed on Corvette night. A couple more. A couple cars parked on the street for Corvette night. A nice C3. Another great C3 here. So yeah, that's a kind of an overview of the Frankfurt Car Show. They have them every Monday nights in Frankfort, Illinois.